So how do you link Calendly to Google Calendar? So to start off, let's search for Calendly. Now here you just need to click on calendly.com. Now here you just need to log in with your account. So for this one, I'll be logging in with my Google account, since this is the one that I have already created. Now, as you can see, I have already created the account or logged in my account on Calendly, and we just need to connect it to our Google Calendar. So to do that, you just need to click on connect, and here it would automatically send it to the Google accounts, and you just need to continue, and wait for it to load up. Now, as you can see, there will be a setup on how we can connect our Google Calendar with Calendly. So you just need to check for everything. So I don't think there's any conflicts here. So click on next. So here you just need to input the things that you need. So for me, I'll check Saturday as okay and click on next. Now here you could actually set up the types of platforms that you'll be using for meetings. So for this one, I'll try to use the Google Meet and press continue. And as you can see, it automatically sets up the Calendly, and you just need to wait it out. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful topics.